Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the other day I did a video on parallel drawing. And if you hold down the control button, you can parallel as many lines you want, as far as apart as you want. And it is pretty cool, but I failed to mention, because I didn't really think about it, when it started. It started in version 2020. Let's turn that off so we won't do it again. But I did this with Artistic Media tool. Almost the same thing, not near as fast, not near as easy. But I drew a 2-point line. This is how I would come about it. And I'm going to make it a hairline, because I like drawing in hairline. Now, we're going to take that hairline and zoom in on that end. And it's a little bitty. So I'm going to take an indexing line and make it a square, almost a square. Take my virtual segment delete key and delete that. There's probably a way to do that with a rectangle, but it's so little. Now go to Object and convert the outline to an object. Now we have something that's 0.03 by 0.03. I'm actually going to make it red. Whoop. Wow, I hit the wrong button. Because I made it an object. Let me back up here and make the, see, I've got actually a fill, and we're going to make it red. Now, I was thinking I had to convert it to a curve, but it's evidently a curve already. We're going to set our nudge factor like really low, 0.01. And we're going to hit the plus key on the keyboard. And we're just going to have 4 of them. We're going to select them all. We're going to go to Object and group them together. Then we're going to go to Artistic Media tool. Make sure you pick the brush and save it. And I'm just going to call it lines. Then with your Artistic Media tool, if you hold down the control button, it'll draw your lines. Now they're huge because this thing is set on a 1/2 inch. Let's set it down, remember, to like the 0.03. We're going to have to zoom in now. And like I said, this is going to take some time. Don't do that. Get the Artistic Media tool. And you can draw lines. Then you can do a lot with this, like I did the other day. You could take your, and don't, I'm not suggesting you do this, but it's just kind of showing you what you can do. Well, didn't mean to do that. You know, if you hit F4 on your keyboard, it'll bring everything back. I want my 3-point curve line, and then hold down the control button and make that. And then go to your Artistic Media tool and just touch it. Now you're going to have to make it a little bigger, a little smaller. And they're really close together, but it drew a bunch of lines. I'm not, like I said, this is just an idea for playing, but you could do some things with this, you know, because you could draw like that if you wanted. Anyway, just hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.